Hey guys, it's your girl Viewsfromriah, and today we're here with another video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a Fenty Beauty unboxing type of video and review. Probably going to be like a two-part type of thing. We'll see. But anyway, this is my first time ordering from Fenty Beauty. My mom wanted to try their lip kit because for years now, we've been using this lip scrub from Mary Kay. We don't use like their lip gloss or anything like that, but we used to use their lip scrub. I used to use it. It's like a sugar scrub now, but my mom wanted to try Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. She's like, let's just try it, see how it is. So she just got the lip scrub, but she got me the lip scrub and one of the glosses. So here we are. They came in this package. She already opened it to get her stuff out, but this is my first time actually opening it and trying it out. You just open it like this, and ooh. So it's pretty cute. It says Fenty. And then right here, it says Fenty Beauty. That's cute. Then it has Instagram and all that. And then it just has my two little products right here. Yeah. So let's see what the two products are. The actual names and stuff. So here's the first one, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Prokissr Lip Lovin' Scrub Stick. Hold on, let me turn it down some. You know, your girl's got her new ring light. Don't know how to act. Here it is, Fenty Beauty Lip Scrub. The directions on the back. So on the back it says swipe over lips in a back and forth motion, then wipe off. Scrub with love, the ultimate kiss prep, then something in other languages. So there's that. Here's another look at the bottom. And here is the Fenty Beauty Prokissr Luscious Lip Balm. And by looking at the ingredients, your girl should be okay. And this is in the flavor of Hint Hint. But yeah, guys, here it is. Hint, hint. I think that's about it. Just has ingredients, doesn't even have instructions. What do you need instructions on how to put onto lip gloss? So anyway, now we're going to get right into this, the lip scrub. And like the only time that I use a lip scrub is usually, you know, when I get like a new chapstick, because I use Burt's Bees. Because one, I had an allergic reaction a few years ago to Carmex and to Vaseline. I don't know what's in it. I think it might be the petroleum or something like that. But I'm allergic to those two specifically because I've tried it. I've had it on. I had an allergic reaction. My lips turned black and my lip is still kind of burnt right here. Yeah, this right here, this was not here before I had my allergic reaction to Vaseline and Carmex. So yeah, my lip is still burnt. Now I still got this black line. I don't know how to get it off. But hey, it doesn't stop your girl. It does not. So yeah, this is it. This is really cute. I'm loving it. So this is the lip scrub. Oh, even the bottom is cute too. There it is. Can you see? Anyway. So it just comes right out like that. Boom. So I'm looking up about like, you know, what's in here and everything. It is actually contains all vegan ingredients, hydrogenated coconut oil, Sariah albub, beeswax, which that's also in the Burt's Bees that I use, of course. It's a lip scrub and a twist up stick packed with apricot seed scrubbers to gently exfoliate and nurture for smooth, soft, kissable lips with every swipe. So, you know, let's go ahead and try it. It is cruelty-free also. Interesting. That's different. Okay, you can kind of see, all right, the seeds is working. Oop, got some at the bottom. My lips are feeling it already. This is it right here. Now I'll be right back. I'm going to let it sit for a minute, maybe like 5 minutes, and then go wash it off. And then yeah, we're going to see how this hint lip balm or lip gloss is looking like. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I am back. My lips are freshly scrubbed. Now, let's get this Luscious lip balm going with the color Hint. Okay, all right. This is cute. Dang, how far does it? Oh, y'all, that was a slow moment. I'm like, well, when is it gonna come off? But I forgot it's one of the dove foot tips or something like that. Somebody was saying in a video that I watched. This is a little dove foot or something that they call it. And I'm going to apply. Oh. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay. Yeah, it has like a, you know, a normal natural type of smell, which is good. I'm really, okay, I'm feeling it. It's kind of like I wouldn't say it's like sticky, but you know, it's not like those, I don't know how to really explain it, guys, but I do like it. The ingredients are seed oil, wax, seed butter, soybean oil, shea butter, pretty much a whole bunch of good stuff for your lips, I hope and believe. But I'll be back with like a, you know, a week update to see if I'm allergic to anything of these ingredients and stuff like that. See how it works with me. But as of right now, I'm loving it. We're going to make a thumbnail real quick, and then we're going to close out the video. All right, guys, so just stay tuned for more. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing / review from Fenty Beauty. This is not sponsored. Maybe one day in the future. But anyway, it's your girl Viewsfromriah, and today I'm here to check in with you guys because last week I did the Fenty Beauty unboxing video, and I wanted to give you guys, like, you know, a full review on how it is like a week later. And let me show you guys. I do like it. I have like wore, you know, a few times within this past week. I haven't broken out to it because usually if I was to break out to one of the products or to something like lip gloss or chapstick or lipstick, it would happen like that same night with like small little bumps on my lips and stuff like that. But I haven't experienced that with this Fenty Beauty, so your girl's excited to try new ones. This is actually it right here, but you know, it's pretty much gone, so I'm going to reapply it for you guys. So this is it again. And yeah, I'm going to reapply. Far as like the lip scrub, I did like the lip scrub. Me personally, I don't like use lip scrub that often. I usually like use it once a month. But I am going to, you know, start using it at least once a week. But yeah, really nice. The C's definitely did clean and everything. Here we are. Nice little dove foot. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a hint, but it's kind of just like a sheer type of, it's kind of like a sheer pink gloss. I really like it. Like, it's not that sticky. It's pretty, you know, it's pretty good. Really feeling it. You know, you don't even got to add that much to it, you know. But yeah, I just want to check in with you guys and give you guys this update so you guys can get a full review. And now I'm going to add this to the clips. And stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I can actually, you know, try some more lip glosses because She got some good ingredients in here and I'm really feeling it. But all right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you ever tried the prokissr or any of her lip gloss or lip balms, lipsticks, Fenty makeup. Comment down below anything, guys, you know. All right, bye.